Hello everyone, I'm Anna Vanila. Welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts, and on this channel I share absolutely everything with you, everything that I know, everything that I've learned throughout my life, all from my experience. I share it on this channel. All the patterns are just mine and unique and very original, and you can't find anywhere else anything that's on my channel. I do knitting patterns, I do crochet, tapestry, drawing, and all sorts of other things like painting. So please feel free to comment to my videos. I hope you like them. Please put likes, please put comments about what other videos you think I may be doing to make you and other people subscribe. I'm welcome to any of your comments, good or bad. I would be pleased. For today, I thought we were going to I'm going to show you how I draw an abstractional leaf. Because it's autumn, leaf is something, it's a fall, it's a symbol of fall, it's a symbol of autumn, and it's very easy to draw, and I hope you like it. I'll do a monochrome version of it, so I hope you're going to like it. This is my pencil with a happy ending here with funky bow, and I've got an eraser here and Parker pen, Parker black pen. Before we use a Parker pen, I'm going to sketch out quickly a leaf. I am doing a leaf now. And this is how I actually do it most of the time. And we'll do like a bit of design, a bit of pattern. We'll do like an unusual leaf, like so. Maybe I'll do another leaf, a smaller one like this. Another leaf like this. And some sort of pattern that reminiscence the leaf as a form. Okay, I think it's all right for now before I complicate it too much, because sometimes when I start to do something, I do too much work and then it's too busy and it's too chaotic and too complicated for anybody else to understand it, to see it. So I'm going to stop here and do the pattern already with a black pen, Parker pen, because my pens have to be good and nice and professional. And I'm going to thicken up the lines and all sorts of other, transform into a far more better looking art. Now let's begin to thicken up and give a structure to the leaf, like so. So we can play with the lines. In my childhood, I've been drawing so many times leaves, flowers, everything, and I always enjoyed creating things that are beautiful, and I do variations, I sculpt sometimes as well. It's a stylized leaf. So as you can see, it creates a shape to the leaf with a bit of structure. We've made the centerpiece here. So now I'm doing the background, the contrast of other leaves around it. trick is when we do a leaf, and this is a center leaf, we need to accentuate a bit more with details, and that's all you need to do in comparison to the other leaves in the background. Leaves in the background are not important, so we just accentuate the center piece, the leaf in the center. We accentuate the leaf in the center. Maybe we can do like a slight texture to this leaf, maybe a couple of dots, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and maybe a couple here. I like to play with different shapes and sizes with the drawing, with all sorts of other things. So I hope when you draw a leaf it will look also like this one, or even better. I think I'll leave this little sketch to be what it is right now, and hopefully we can do something else soon in a different video. And thank you very much for watching and subscribing. Thank you for liking my videos and for commenting on my videos, what you like, what you dislike. It will also be helpful to me to know what you like, what you don't like, and what would you like to see next in my next videos. So thank you very much for watching. I am Vanila, and hopefully we can draw some more things together soon in a different video. Maybe we can knit, we can do tapestry and create fun and beautiful things. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.